In the video, we will show you the creation of a 5 cm leather sole, entirely made of leather. I am an Italian artisan and I create custom-made sandals and ballerina flats entirely by hand. I have cut 9 pieces of standard-sized leather along with a piece of rubber that will serve as an outsole. Let's start with the first piece of leather, which will serve as a template for all the others. We sand it down, bring it to the desired measurements, and apply leather filler if needed. Moving on to the second piece of leather, we follow the same procedure, sanding, filling, and matching it to the first piece. Once aligned, we nail them together and finish both pieces simultaneously. I am proud of my commitment to perfecting the details and the care I put into working with leather. Creating high-quality, personalized products is a challenge that I approach with passion and dedication. Let's continue with our work. We take the third piece of leather, sand it down, apply leather filler if needed, and then attach it to the previous piece. Afterwards, we refine both pieces together. We will continue this procedure with the remaining leather pieces until we reach the final one. Each step requires careful attention and precision to ensure that every piece fits perfectly, resulting in a high-quality final product. Let's proceed with the work. Now, let's apply leather cream and refine it with a brush. The final result will be truly extraordinary, with an impeccable and well-maintained appearance. Now, let's bring the sole to the desired measurements using the slicker. Then, we take measurements and mark on the sole the point where we will insert the piece of iron corresponding to the arch of the foot. Let's proceed with the addition of a leather platform with a rubber sole. First, we create a cavity on the sole to accommodate the platform. Using specialized tools, we shape the leather to create the necessary space. Next, we prepare the leather platform and apply the rubber sole to ensure better grip and durability over time. This step will contribute to increasing the comfort and stability of the sandals or ballerina flats we are creating. Let's continue with care and attention to achieve an exceptional final result. Let's prepare the milling machine and insert the required cutter bit. Let's proceed with creating a cavity on the sole to insert an iron plate. This step adds rigidity and stability to the footwear sole. Now, let's proceed with filling the platform with filler and then move on to applying the rubber sole and the platform. Let's proceed by cutting off the excess rubber with scissors and then refine everything using the slicker. Let's proceed with filling the platform with filler and then apply it to the leather sole. Once properly positioned, we securely fasten it to the bottom of the leather sole using small nails. Let's proceed with filling the platform with filler and then apply it to the leather sole. Once properly positioned, we securely fasten it to the bottom of the leather sole using small nails. Let's take the measurements of the heel, apply filler to the sole, and then attach the heel to the back part. We securely fasten it to the sole by using nails. This will ensure a strong connection between the heel and the sole. We screw the previously prepared iron piece inside the sole to provide rigidity and curvature to the heel. After nailing the heel, we move on to the finishing phase. We apply the appropriate cream to the sole and carefully brush the entire shoe. This process will give a shiny and professional finish to the sole and heel. This is the result. If you enjoyed the video, I invite you to share it. It will help grow my channel. Thank you.